Hello you guys, and what is up? Today I am sharing with you how to get more saves on Instagram. It's a really interesting, really not thought of, unthought of, I don't know. You guys know what I'm saying. Really, it's a tool and a strategy for engagement that I think a lot of people skip over and miss. And it's something that I've honed into recently on my own Instagram, my Instagram posts, and I've been able to generate a lot more engagement on my Instagram. I had a post recently where I strategically asked people to save the post, had a graphic at the end for people to save the post, and I had over 100 saves on my post. You guys, before that, I think the most saves I ever had on a post was maybe 20 at the most. Most of my posts, I get like 0 saves. So that was huge for me, just getting that many saves on one post. So I wanna break down exactly how I did that and how you can do it too. The first step to doing that is to make your posts educational. So I think this is the most important thing. I think when it comes to having posts that can be saved, you wanna think about what's in the post that would make them want to save it. And typically that means it's gonna be something super educational. So you're giving tips on something, you're giving how-tos on something, you're giving a tutorial, you're giving inspiration, something that people can save and they want to refer back to later, and you're teaching them how to do something. The second step to making a post really easy to save is to have a graphic at the end. So maybe you have a carousel of photos, maybe you have one photo and then the second photo is this graphic, but essentially within the post you want to have a graphic that really points down to the bottom where the little save icon is and asks people to save. It's giving them that call to action, right? And really right in the post, in the graphic, telling them exactly how they can save it and that they should save it so they can refer back to it later. Just giving this little prompt really helps people to know, oh yeah, I can save this post and I can refer back to it later when I'm like thinking about this topic and want to actually implement it into my brand or business or whatever you're helping people with. I made my graphic in Canva. It was super easy. It's a free program you can use to make graphics like this. I'll put a link down in the description to Canva if you've never used it or haven't tried it out, but highly recommend using this app. You don't have to know how to use Photoshop at all, and this app makes that really simple to make a graphic like that. And the third step to having a post that is super savable is making sure you're adding that call to action in the caption of your Instagram post. So not only is that graphic at the end of your post asking people to save your post, but you're also putting in the bottom of your caption saying, hit save on this post so you can refer back to it later and have it for later. And by just doing these few things, you guys, that's how I was able to generate over 100 saves in one of my posts, when typically I get hardly any saves at all. So I'd be super interested for you guys to try it out, and I'd love for you to let me know after you try it out. Tell me how it went. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if it was super helpful, and hit subscribe because I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And it really just helps to support my channel and for more people to see this content, and it really just means a lot to me, and I'm super grateful for all of you. And if you want to check out that post I'm talking about that had over 100 saves, you can find that in a link down in the description. You can check it out, see exactly what I'm talking about and how I'm implementing all of these strategies, and I can't wait to share more with you guys next time. Bye guys.